Hey everyone and welcome back. So as it is Monday, I thought the start of a new week, why not make a vlog? I thought this could be the week that I open my Etsy store, but why not take you guys through the preparation and the setup of my store right up until the first item goes live. So it's Monday right now, as I said, and I'm hoping to get the store open by hopefully Friday, so I've got about 5 days. So on today's agenda, I thought I would finally test out the heat press and the converter, as that is a pretty big thing that I need to do. And I will also be tweaking a couple of my designs, so it's going to be a pretty chill day. I think it goes in there. And now I'll go around and turn the heat press on. It's working! If I didn't mention earlier, they are just on chairs for now because I am waiting for my desk to come in.
Is that really what my hair looks like from the back?
Hello everyone. Not much is really happening today in the way of my Etsy store, but I just thought I would film anyway. I'm going to hopefully be coming up with some more design ideas, and then I also want to print out some of the designs with the silhouette to see if they fit the onesie. So let's jump into Tuesday. Hey everyone, so it's Wednesday today. Today I plan on using my heat press, so I'm excited and nervous to see how that will go. But I really hope it goes well, so fingers crossed. Today will be all about taking the pictures for Etsy, so I'm really excited, and I have a few props as well. Amy and Oliver will be coming over for a visit and will help. It's been a pretty busy week getting everything together for the store, but I feel like now is the perfect time to open it and I'm really excited. Today I will be putting together the listings, the descriptions, the pictures, my bio, my shop policy and all of that fun stuff. So that's it guys, my store is open. It's been such a great fun day. Thanks for coming along for the ride and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.